In this video, I'm going to show you how to really quickly see how much data you have on your hard drive. For this, we're going to go to our File Explorer, which is this yellow folder. We're going to go on the left-hand pane to this PC, and you may need to scroll to find this option. We can see here, local disk C. Now your view may be different. So up here on this View tab, we can see several different views. But regardless of the view, we are going to be looking for something that says Local Disk C. When you find it, go ahead and just right-click on that and go down to Properties. We should now have a new window pop up, and we can see here the used space, the free space, and the capacity. And here are those relative numbers at 20 gigs, 29 gigs, and a total capacity of 49. And a nice little pie chart to show you how much space is used. This is a way to very quickly see how much storage space you are currently using, how much you have free, and how much you have altogether. This has been a video by nephew-tech.com, and I hope you've learned something.